Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of this very, very nice Acacian, A-C-A-C-I-A, Acacian handmade wood chest. All the details that go into it, what's inside, how to do this combination, and just the full-blown quality of this. Company reach out to me, so Ryan, can you give us a review of our Acacian, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, wood chest? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me? Fake this review because I'm just here to keep it real. All right, as you can see, it has this gold. I'm not sure maybe that's like a brass type locking mechanism, and it has 1, 2, it's a 3 combination, and it rolls. Very easy to unlock, just like that. And it's very easy to set. So when it is in the unlock position, all you gotta do to set it and forget it is basically you push it this way, change it. So in this situation, we're gonna change it to, let's just say 100. Then we can unlock it. And so then, if I go to lock it, and I change it back to this, it's not gonna open. Change it back to the new combination, and it's good to go. So it's very easy to go in there and customize how you want to have your locking mechanism. Inside, very nicely made. And it does have a handmade wood smell to it, like a very fresh, definitely high quality wood. I've never even held this type of wood before, so pretty dang nice. It does come with some nice hinges here, and they're like a locking hinge, so it goes here, and then you can hear it lock in place. Very well constructed. Also on the bottom, I will let you know, it has this felt bottom, sort of a non-slip, very plush, I'll say. Very nice bottom. So if you're putting this on, let's just say wood, it's not gonna scratch and it's not gonna slide around. So then when you open it up, it has a tray that's removable. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4s to hold, let's just say a little brush that it comes with right here. So if you're doing whatever you need to do or use this for and you want to, brush whatever it is, you can. Very, very nice. It does also come with not 1, but 2 jars. Nice high quality jars. And then it comes with a seal. So I guess if you're looking for something, you need an airtight seal. That comes with it as well. So just depending what is important to you and to have it in there, that's actually kind of cool. I didn't think it did that. Very nice construction, locks in there tight, and fits nicely right there. You also have inside here a nice large space. These are removable, as you can see. They go right back in place. And it's very well constructed, so all these aren't loose while they're in there. This piece comes out as well. Now let me give you some measurements so you can see kind of how much space you have in here. So an inside width, you're about 8 1/4 inches wide. And then you're going this way. If you took all 1, 2, 3 of these pieces out, you would be at 6, almost 6 3/4, a little over 6 1/2 going this way. And then total depth, once this is closed inside. So if you close this, you're gonna have right at about 2 1/4 inches deep inside. These jars kind of give you an idea from a size standpoint. They're right at about 2 inches wide this way. And the inside space here is about 1 1/4. So 1 1/4 this way by about 2 inches this way. The total outside dimension of this is 9 1/2 inches this way, right at 8 inches this way, and then height-wise, it's right at 4 inches tall. Now, also, you have a tray here on the top part. So if you're needing to put something in here, and stuff down in here, you have this, and you can actually pull it out with that. And the depth of this, the thickness of this is right at about a 1/2 inch deep. And then the width of this, so you're trying to figure out, what you might want to put in there. So 1/2 inch deep by about 8 1/2 going this way. And then you have the height of the inside, which is about 7 inches this way. So 7 inches going this way. So if you're looking for a very nice chest for your keepsakes or whatever's important to you that you want to put something in there and have the ability to lock it up, doesn't slide, made out of this Acacian, again, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.